Hey, Sarah. What are you looking at?
Hi, Olivia.
You look excited.
I found a part-time job advertisement
Really? Where?
at a bookstore near the college.
That sounds nice.
I think I should apply,
You absolutely should.
but I have never worked before.
Everyone starts somewhere. You are right.
What kind of work is it? Helping customers and arranging books.
That sounds perfect for you.
Why?
Because you love reading books. That's true. So, when is the interview?
Tomorrow afternoon. Don't be nervous. I will try not to be.
You can do it.
Thank you, Olivia. Come on. Let's prepare together. Great idea.
Let's practice some interview questions.
Okay, I am ready.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Sarah. I am a college student. I enjoy reading books and learning new skills.
Very good.
Really?
Yes, but speak a little louder.
Okay.
Why do you want this job?
I want to gain experience and improve my communication skills.
Excellent answer.
Thank you.
What are your strengths?
I am responsible and hardworking.
Nice. What if they ask difficult questions? Just stay calm and answer honestly.
That makes sense.
Confidence is important. I will remember that. Good luck for tomorrow.
Thanks.
I feel more confident now.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Sarah. I am currently studying at college. I enjoy reading and helping people.
Very nice. Why do you want this job?
I want to learn new skills and gain work experience.
Good answer. Are you comfortable talking to customers?
Yes, sir. I enjoy meeting new people.
Excellent. Can you work on weekends?
Yes, I can.
Wonderful. We will contact you soon.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
You too, sir.
Olivia, guess what? What happened? I got the job. Really? Yes. Congratulations. Thank you so much. I knew you could do it. I am so happy right now. When do you start? Next Monday. That's exciting. I hope I do well.
You will.
I want to learn quickly. And you will. Thanks for helping me prepare. Friends help each other.
Welcome, Sarah.
Thank you, sir.
Today I will show you around.
Great.
These shelves contain fiction books.
Okay.
And those shelves contain educational books.
Got it.
Your job is to help customers
Sure.
and keep the shelves organized.
I can do that.
Excellent.
I am excited to start.
That's the spirit.
Excuse me.
Yes. How can I help you?
I am looking for an English learning book.
Certainly. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here are our English learning books.
Wonderful. Which one do you recommend?
This book is very popular for beginners.
Great. I will take it.
Excellent choice.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
How was your first day?
It was amazing.
Really?
Yes. I helped many customers.
That's great.
I was nervous at first.
And then?
Then I became more confident.
See?
You were right.
I told you.
I learned a lot today.
I am proud of you.
Thank you.
Sarah, you are doing an excellent job.
Thank you, sir.
Customers like your service.
That means a lot to me.
Keep up the good work.
I will.
We are lucky to have you.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
You earned it.
You seem much more confident now. I feel more confident too. This job changed you. Yes. I learned responsibility, communication, and time management. That's wonderful. I am glad I applied. And I am glad you got the job. Me too. We hope you enjoyed today's conversation. Today we learned about job interviews and workplace English. We also learned the importance of confidence and hard work. Now we have some questions for you. Have you ever worked part-time? What job would you like to do in the future? And do you enjoy reading books? Tell us in the comments below. Keep practicing English every day. Small daily practice brings big improvement. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Keep smiling. And keep speaking English.